Greetings everyone, welcome to another video. Today, let's explore how we can incorporate meditation into a hectic lifestyle. I understand many of you lead very busy lives with tight schedules. Despite this, you may desire to integrate meditation into your routine. This poses a challenge, balancing a bustling life with the desire to meditate. It's a common concern, with many expressing difficulty in finding time for meditation amidst their numerous responsibilities and distractions. Now, when we think of meditation, the typical image that comes to mind is someone seated in a serene and comfortable place, eyes closed, legs crossed. However, meditation extends beyond just seated practices. It is more adaptable and practical than commonly perceived. Today, I'll introduce a simple mindfulness exercise that can be seamlessly woven into your busy schedule, even when dealing with various responsibilities. Firstly, it's crucial to recognize that mindfulness doesn't necessitate a specific setting. You can be mindful in any posture or engage in any activity. Let's consider a daily routine, perhaps your breakfast. Instead of succumbing to distractions like reading the newspaper, watching TV, or scrolling through social media while eating, why not cultivate mindfulness during this routine? The beauty of mindfulness is its applicability to every action in our daily lives, regardless of where, what, or when. For instance, during breakfast, set aside distractions, TV, mobile phones, newspapers, and focus on the act of eating itself. Pay attention to the taste, whether you're eating with your hands, a spoon, or a fork. By bringing your mind to the sensation and taste of each bite, you initiate mindfulness. Often, when eating, we aren't fully aware of the taste, as our minds become easily distracted. Mindful eating encourages us to redirect our attention to the present, savoring each bite consciously. This practice allows you to identify and focus on the sensory experience of eating, constituting a form of meditation in daily life. Consider incorporating this simple practice into one meal each day, whether it's lunch, dinner, or breakfast. By doing so, you eliminate distractions, such as mobile phones or TV, during that specific meal time. This mindful eating practice ensures you don't miss an opportunity to integrate meditation into your daily routine. I once shared this practice with someone who claimed they didn't have time for meditation. The essence here is recognizing that meditation is not confined to a specific time or place. By embracing mindful practices, such as mindful eating, you infuse moments of meditation into your everyday life. Remember, meditation is everywhere. You can engage in it whenever and wherever you choose. Keep this in mind as you explore the world of mindfulness.